The little boy always sweep the stream, remove all the rubbish every morning before going to school. Later on, he traveled with her mom, so you can see. The water goddess just appeared. She is worried because there is no one to come and clean up the place anymore. So she's worried. A years back, the boy came back because of the stream. So he came back. He was shocked because the place is congested. So he decided to go and clean up the place again. So as you can see, the water goddess is very happy. She is very happy. She is there. The water goddess stands out and enters the stream. She vanished. The boy rushed, enters the water, but he can't see anything. Comment for the next part.